In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect payments from the Contact tab in GoHighLevel. We're going to walk through the process step by step so you can quickly charge a client, create a subscription, or send an invoice directly from their Contact profile without jumping between different parts of your account. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head over to your Launchpad for the location or account where you manage your payments. This is your main starting point. And from here, we're going to navigate straight to the Contacts area. Once you're on the Launchpad, look for the Contacts option in the left-hand menu and click on it. This opens your full list of contacts. If you have a lot of people in your database, you can use the search bar or filters to find the specific person you want to charge. It's a good idea to double-check their name and email here so you know you're working with the right record. Next, click on the contact you want to collect payment from. This will open up their detailed profile. On this page, you'll see different tabs and icons related to their activity, notes, and more. What we're interested in is the payments area. Look for the dollar icon, which represents payments, and click on it. This switches the view to show all payment-related information for this contact, such as past charges, invoices, or subscriptions if there are any. It's useful to take a quick look here to make sure you're not double charging for something they've already paid. At the top right of this payments view, you'll see an Actions dropdown. Click on this dropdown to see your payment options. From here, you can choose Charge Now, create a subscription, or create an invoice, depending on how you want to collect the payment. In this example, we'll use Charge Now, which is ideal for taking an immediate one-time payment. After clicking Charge Now, a form will appear. Start by typing in the amount you want to charge. Make sure this matches the agreed price with your client, and confirm the correct currency if that's visible in your account. Then type in a clear description for the charge. This could be the name of the service, product, or package. A good description helps both you and your client understand what the payment is for when you look back at your records later. Once everything looks correct, click on Confirm and Charge. GoHighLevel will process the payment using the contact's payment details, and you should see a confirmation that the charge was successful. That's how you collect payments directly from the contact